In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Databricks to Power BI for a seamless data integration experience. This process will enable you to harness the power of Databricks' cloud-based data processing capabilities combined with Power BI's extensive visualization tools. So let's dive right in and get started on this journey. The first thing you'll need to do is open Power BI on your computer. Power BI is a powerful business analytics service provided by Microsoft, and if you're not already familiar, it's widely used for transforming raw data into informative insights through interactive dashboards. Once you have Power BI open, ensure you're in the Home tab. This is your dashboard's central hub where you'll find numerous options to manage your data connections and import tools. Now with Power BI open and ready, we'll proceed to acquire our data. Look for the Get Data button located on the ribbon in the Home tab. This button is crucial as it allows you to choose from a wide variety of data sources that you can connect to. Clicking on this button will present you with a vast menu displaying different options for data import. To find Databricks, navigate to the More option within Get Data. The More option will reveal a comprehensive list of connectors and data services. This is organized for your convenience, which makes it easier to find what you need. Carefully scan through the list or use the search feature to find Databricks swiftly. Simply type Databricks in the search box. This can save you time, especially if you have numerous data connectors installed. Once you've found Databricks in the list, select it by clicking. This will initiate the process to connect. You'll be guided to input necessary authentication details that will enable Power BI to access Databricks seamlessly. This step is crucial because without proper authentication, Power BI won't be able to utilize Databricks data. While this may seem straightforward, it's important to ensure that the credentials you're using have adequate permissions in Databricks. Double-check the validity and authority of your credentials to avoid any access issues. If you're encountering connectivity issues at this stage, verify network settings and ensure there are no firewall constraints hindering the connection. When connected successfully, your Databricks data will populate within Power BI, offering opportunities to model your data and build engaging visualizations. Here you can explore the Databricks tables and views to incorporate into your Power BI reports. Take your time to explore these features to maximize data insights. And there you have it. By now you should have successfully connected Databricks to Power BI, paving the way for enhanced data-driven decision-making through powerful visual analytics. This connection bridges computational prowess with visual storytelling, an invaluable combination for any data-driven workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher on connecting Databricks to Power BI.